Hi, everybody. Happy Friday. We're trying something new now. We're going to try to do a video every Friday at 5. Some of them might be pre-recorded, but we'll still do our bigger first Friday Facebook Live. Well, I guess it's Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube now. So we're still going to do our live Fridays on the first Friday, but we're going to try to sneak in some smaller ones every Friday. So come see us every Friday at 5. All right, so wanted to tell you, I'm Teresa, by the way, owner of Treelotta. Hi. And we just got done with our big So Hungry Hippie event that happened this last weekend. It was so much fun to have Natalie here. She's awesome. We had her trunk show and a make and take on Friday night. On Saturday, we had the quilted. We don't have a finished one here. The soft vinyl quilted pouch. We have kits of these, so you can still get kits. We have the patterns too. And we'll probably have a finished one show up here, maybe, so I can show you. But it was a lot of fun. And we also, since the quilted pouch didn't take the whole day, we also did some really fun, scrappy rope bowls, trivets, rugs, whatever you wanted to do, in the style of Natalie. So she does a really fun, scrappy, colorful looking one. And look, it magically appeared, a finished one. So Natalie actually left us a bunch of samples that she made, which is awesome. And so here is what the pouches look like. The kits we had for the class were different colors. And as you see, we have other colors available in the kits, but they're really fun to make. And soft vinyl, it's so fun to work with, and it just feels so good. So we had a lot of people say, like, they're becoming converts to working with soft vinyl. So that is fun. We still have kits, and they're called, So Hungry Hippie, Quilted Soft Vinyl Pouch Kit. So if you look at our website, you should be able to find those kits, or they're in the store. Oh, and then this was the kit, or this is a kit for what we did for the make and take. It's a jelly vinyl kit, and it makes a zipper pouch. And this is really fun to work with too. This is the kind of thing where once you make a hole, there's a hole. So kind of like any vinyl, you want to make sure to get it right. But it's actually pretty easy to sew with and makes a really cute bag. We also had a sale on Saturday night with her. And what did we call that sale? It was the matchups, because Natalie does her matchup sale. So we did one with her, and we put together 50 different bundles of fabric. And our email server did not send out our email, and we're still working with them to figure out what's going wrong. It's still not sending out our emails. So you might not have received an email telling you about this when it happened live, but don't worry. There is a link. It's on our website, right? Can we click on the link and it takes them to the recording, or just to the
YouTube? Yep, there's a banner.
There's a banner on our website that will take you to the YouTube recording, so you can go and see all the really fun, cute bundles we put together for you. And so, like, this one is bundle number 25, green Essex linen, and then it gets cut off, so I don't know, but it has little beetles in it. And then this, we can't even get this sparkly Essex anymore from Robert Kaufman. They've stopped making it. So this one is 2510, but all the bundles on our website that we did for this weekend, they're 10% off. So it's 2510 minus 10%. So this is a 1 yard bundle. I have just a couple examples here of some of the bundles. This is out of print Tula, Curiouser. This is the red and yellow bundle from Curiouser, bundle number 31 on our website, and it is $75 minus 10%. So this is, kind of one colorway of that collection. So there are 50 different bundles on there. So go take a look. And if we're out of anything, the waitlist button should be activated. So if you click on that, we sort of estimated how many bundles we thought we could make from the remaining yardage. So let us know if you're interested in one that says it's not available. Okay, so we were excited to have Natalie here. It was awesome. And yeah, our email. We are working on that. We're working on figuring that out. So hopefully we'll be able to send emails again soon. Bundles are still available. Click on the banner to find them. And we're going to try to do these videos every week. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. On YouTube, you can hit that little bell button, and then you'll be notified when the stream starts. So that way you won't miss us. All right, so I wanted to show you guys what I'm working on right now. I'm working on the courtside bag by Annie. Thank you. It's a bundle right now. It's a bundle of pieces. It's not quite put together yet, but in case you haven't seen it, it's a backpack or tote, and it's meant for rackets like pickleball or tennis rackets. And then you can put it on your back. So that's how I prefer to carry things. So it's in parts, but I thought I would just show you guys. Whoop, upside down. No, not a mirror. Here are my straps that I'm working on with a little bit of that yarn dyed orange Essex. I don't know the name of the color, but I love the color and texture in the Essex linens. Here's my little pocket for the inside, little divider pocket. But let me find the front piece. Is this the front piece? This is the front piece. So it's tigers. Look at how cute they are. And I put that little stripe in there. And then on the inside, I have that little stripe there. So this zipper opens from the top. Anyway, I have the tigers. I have the black stripe. I have the orange Essex. And then I have this fabric in there as well. That's the little part that goes on a like a suitcase handle. And yeah, I've been having a lot of fun making it. So parts and pieces. Oh, I decided that it needed to have the leather on the bottom, and the way it goes together, it kind of like folds up on the one side. So I decided I needed to put feet on it. I think feet are always good on a bag, so that'll get covered by the lining. But I love some bag feet, so that's what I'm working on right now. That and the Symphony block of the month, the Rome block of the month, a bunch of Suspargo stuff. There is never enough time in the day. Okay, so let's see, new things. I think a lot of you have already seen these little guys. It's the Year of the Dragon. So these are adorable little embroidery scissors. We have them in the gold and in the antique bronze. The gold we sold out of. We were able to get some more in. They're so cute. I haven't bought my pair yet, so I'll have to figure out which one I like better. Probably both. I like them both. Okay. Ooh, fabric. Thank you. So Carrie said, I know what happened. Your motor rep came in and said, do you want Halloween fabric? And I said, yes, please. I'll take it all. So yeah, we got some really fun stuff in. This is from the collection called Noir by Allie Kay Designs. And it has some like black and white florals, right? Mm-hmm. And with skulls in them. Oh, a big panel. That's really cool. And then here are some of the coordinates. So this is kind of the color scheme she went with. But I feel like a lot of it, I can see it from here, a lot of it is like white with black line drawings on it. And then black with white line drawings, and then some coordinates that go with it. And it is really cute. Look at these cute little ghosts. I feel like you need another garment out of this. It kind of goes with your skull, your skull shirt. So cute little ghosts. So that's a really, really fun collection. We've had some people in here snatching that one up because it's so cute. I run out of counter space to sorry about that. Thank you. Okay. And then Vanessa over at Lala Boutique came out with the cutest Halloween collection I have seen in a while. It's called Hey Boo. And like every single project that they showed to go with it, this is only 2 of them. Every single project was so cute that I may have invested a little heavily in the line because it's adorable and I want to make every single thing that's in it. Here are a couple of the fabrics. Pumpkins and a good stripe. And there are so many cute fabrics in this line. This is just like a couple. And like I said, everything made out of it was just stinking adorable. And we've got a bunch more patterns that go with it because she did a really good job putting things together for that. And okay, so was there more new stuff, or should we move on to the garment fabric? Okay, so we have a ton of garment fabric. I don't know if everybody knows that, but we love to make garments here. We have garment classes. Leslie's teaching a new garment every month, and If we can convince Nancy too, she's going to be teaching some garment classes too. And then Natalie was just here. Oh, I didn't talk about Sunday. On Sunday, she taught a garment tunic class. It's a tunic that she's been developing, and it's not quite out yet. I believe beginning of May it's supposed to be released, but we worked on it this weekend. It was mostly out of rayon. Some people did different fabrics, but it was kind of a fun drapey tunic. So speaking of rayon, this is one that's actually designed by a local designer here in the Denver area. And this is Tencel, which is a more healthy, like sustainably produced rayon type fabric. So we love that. And the fact that she's local. So it's Kaleidoscope Studio. And this is called Festive Flora. So if you look it up on our website, yeah, Festive Flora.
It'll be linked too.
Orange red. Oh, and it'll be linked on the video below the video too, so you can find it that way. But yeah, we have 5 of her fabrics, and they're so nice. They're drapey and gorgeous. So we have a bunch of garment fabrics. We have rayon, we have lawn, we have voile, double gauze, the canvasy type fabrics, like that tiger one right there. Thank you. I just made overalls in Leslie's class, not this last weekend, but the weekend before, and my overalls turned out so cute. I didn't think to bring them today, but yeah, I made overalls out of this. It's so cute. And I made uniform tunics and lots of garments. The Pharaoh dress by Grainline, out of this heavier weight canvas, and it's actually a really comfortable fabric to wear. Okay, it's time for hidden gems. All right, so Carrie found some fun things that are in the shop that are, we have so much good stuff that sometimes things are a little bit hidden. You can't see it all. So we thought we would just spotlight for you some of the really cute things. So this is from the Cotton and Steel Bring Your Own Booze line. Booze, B-O-O-S, as in boo, in case you didn't get that. So this is one of our Halloween fabrics. It's called Carve Away, and the color is Storm Cloud. And look at that. Pumpkins with fangs. And then this is the same line. Yeah, Bring Your Own Booze. It's called Bat Attack in the color Trick or Treat. Cute little bats and moons. If you haven't noticed, we love our Halloween fabrics around here. Ooh, there's metallic silver in here. Whoops, let's see. Can you see the shiny metallic silver? Was that it for today's hidden gems?
That's it.
Okay, perfect. And then, all right, we have some upcoming classes to tell you about. Stacy is teaching a Woobles class. That is coming up on May 25th at 11 a.m. And there are 2 there. So it's the dyno. It's a class on the dyno. Don't look too closely. This was my very first Wooble that I made. And I found out I needed to have a tighter gauge because I'm a knitter, and in knitting, you want to be loose. So I learned about this. I made a ton of Woobles since then, actually. And you can choose which one you want. This is the original Fred the Dinosaur in the green with the yellow spikes. And then this is Disco Fred, the dino, in the rainbow. That's the one that I made. So you can choose green or disco. And that's May 25th. Yay! So kind of an intro to crochet class. And then Daisy was talking about putting together just like a general intro to crochet class where you learn all the basics. So we'll get that going too. And then Leslie's teaching an intro to garment sewing class on May 4th, May the 4th. And there's a kit that goes with that. So you'll get some parts and pieces, and you'll learn all kinds of different things about garment making. So if you are new to garment making, if you haven't done any garment making, I mean, you need to know how to use your sewing machine. That's a prerequisite for this class. You do need to know how to thread and use your machine. So if you don't know that, you can set up a private lesson with us here. We'll make sure you know how to use your machine before you take the class. But that's coming up May 4th. And then, we're very excited about this. Oh, I'm excited about this too, but I'll come back to the next thing. Okay, and then this is coming up. So Patton is teaching an OESD, machine embroidery class every month. It's on the first Sunday of the month. So this is the one for May. May probably the 5th is the first Sunday.
in hopes for a Mother's Day gift.
Oh, yes, exactly. Cute little Mother's Day gift. This is done on one of our OESD pillow blanks. So it comes with the zipper installed, and then once you've embroidered, you just sew up the 3 remaining sides, and then you have a pillow. So that is coming up, I believe May 5th, if that's Sunday.
Yeah.
Okay. And then, probably a lot of you local people know, and maybe non-local people too. Stephanie Ruyle is a friend of ours here, and she is nationally acclaimed. She's an award-winning improv or modern quilter. She does really cool improv stuff. She is going to be teaching an improv series here. We're very excited. If you can't be here in person, you can join us on Zoom. Just let us know when you sign up. That's how you're joining us, so we kind of have an idea of how many physical seats we still have left in the store. Part of the very first class in the price is the kit is included, and the kit you would use for all 4 classes. So this is the cool version of the kit. We have this denim that has like a silver metallic on it, and then mostly solids with a couple shot cottons thrown in there. Actually, this kit has a few shot cottons, I think. And so this is the cool version. The warm version, we had sold out of the kits we had made, so we're making more. And that one, if you go to our website, you'll see actually the one she's been making the samples with is the warm version. So you can see that one there. And you do need to take those in order though. So if you're going to miss like the 3rd class, then you would need to wait for it to come around again to take number 3 after you've taken number 2. So I think that's all we wanted to talk about today. So if you have any questions, type them in there. We did pre-record this, so I am not vocally, I am not responding live to your questions. You can edit that out, right, Carrie? So just type in your questions. We will answer. And I think Carrie's going to be putting this up at 5 on Friday, and we'll be at her keyboard at that time. But feel free to ask any questions, and we can get back and answer them later. So thanks for watching, and hope you guys are having a great night. Bye.